which every parent of yours should take so seriously. That is, don't forget tomorrow. Tomorrow is 10th of May 2023, where every citizen who is 18 plus should cast their vote. Okay, fine. So why I am talking to you is that I got inspired by one of the statement made by George G. Nathan. I'll tell you what he says. I quote, "Bad officials are elected by good citizens who do not vote." I repeat, bad officials are elected by good citizens who do not vote. You know, whatever the outputs that you are getting now from after voting, the results that you are getting is not the desired results. Is not the results that you should come out, because most of the citizens are not voting. So, what's the importance of a vote? You know, many people might think that one vote of mine will not bring a big change because we have 140 crore people in India. In Karnataka, if you take not less than some 6 or 7 crore people who has right to vote, isn't it? So this is how people are thinking. You should please come out of this is what you should inform. Whatever I am telling you now, because your parents are not in front of me right now, I am informing you so that on behalf of me you will go and inform at your home the importance of casting their vote. Very, very important. If they are not at all interested in any parties, let them click on NOTA. NOTA stands for none of the above. For suppose if they are not satisfied with any parties or any individual or independent candidates, they can at least click on NOTA so that the vote is counted under NOTA. And rules and all I will not discuss now. See, we should feel proud that in the entire world we stand number one in democracy, isn't it? Of course, I'm a mathematics teacher, but some small things on this is to be understood. It's every citizen right to understand where we are, what is our right. You got it? So we send our representative as a people representative. It's nothing but you indirectly are ruling. That's all. You are the people who rule. Okay, under someone's name. So you are going to send a representative from your constituency. Fine. So ask your parents to keep some things in mind when they vote. I am not for someone or against someone. It's a very generic thing. I am telling you, not by seeing the central figure we should vote, not on any other basis of getting money or something like that. It's not about voting like this. It's about when you feel like your candidate of your constituency is convincing. Doesn't matter which party you belong to, you can vote for him or her. You got it? This is how you should inform your parent. Second thing is, as I told you, we are the biggest democratic country in the world. We have the biggest democracy. That means every nook and corner of the country can come and cast their vote, and based on their decision only, the ruling, the party will come to the ruling. Can be a party or anything. You understood? So please inform your parents. All who has crossed 18, who has the right to vote, should definitely vote. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it, guys?
Yes, sir.
So I got inspired just by one line. Seriously, don't you think? Don't you think? See, we are bringing the bad administrators in front of us. We are good people who are not voting. We are getting that as an output. So it's very important. Each and every vote counts a lot. So please request your parents to cast their valuable vote. Okay, and by tomorrow, about the rules and all timings and all, you should know. If you switch on any news channel, you will get the information. By tonight also, if you switch on, you will get the information from what time to what time, and which booths are open to you, to nearby places to vote. All these things are available. Even if you Google it, you will get to know under which your constituency, your pin code, what and all places are there to just go and cast your vote. So please inform your parents to do this. I hope it was very, very important information which I had to share. That's the reason I took extra time of yours. I'm sorry. And please inform your parents. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. See you all.
Election Commission